Nudge AI doesn't know what it's going to build yet. What they do know is that they see people struggle with lots of micro decisions that are wearing people down, and they want to come up with a way of making that better. It's good in product management. Never start with a solution in mind. Start with a goal. Why do you exist? What is the outcome that you want to achieve as a company? And then from there, figure out how to build solutions that solve or create those outcomes that you want. And Nudge had a hunch, and they did a series of interviews. And let's see if we can come up with some ideas. Rhythmic is based on two primary things right now. We have boards, which are plans to get work done, and documents. Documents are all of that unstructured data that you bring in as a product person. Aria is the AI co-pilot that goes along with this. Aria is built on the more than 30 years of product management and leadership experience that my co-founder and myself have working with small startups, all the way up to some of the world's largest organizations. We brought that into Aria. And so we're going to use Aria to build something. Aria and Rhythmic are designed to help facilitate lots of small experiments. And we're going to do a small experiment today. We're going to figure out one of these and see if there's some solution we can do and put in front of people to get the dinner decider one-tap feature. I like that idea. Yeah, let's go ahead and draft a project proposal. In this case, we created a document. This is something we might want to capture for later. Here's our introduction problem statement. A lot of really good stuff here. I want to capture this in a document. As we add these documents, Aria kicks off and does our translation process, where it takes all of our ideas that we've loaded in, and it goes through a pretty advanced process where it's figuring out what could this information be used for in the future, and it stores all of that in the document, all the summaries and everything, and all that is used in all of our retrieval and generation steps that we're going to do. So now we're getting this in there. We're going to let Aria do its thing, and let's work and actually create some ideas. All right, cool. We have a project brief in here. Please create a epic for this. So all that is a big body of work that's going to get broken down into smaller stories. So let's look and see if we like this. Simple dinner decisions with mood aware personalized recommendation. All right, I'd be interested to see what comes up with that. Let's actually break this down into actionable work that can get done. Let's break it down. Right now it's going and it's composing, it's looking at this, and then using, again, all of that project experience that we have is guiding this to help design a story breakdown that makes sense. We still don't know that we need to go build this. This is a lot of potential junk in our backlog because we've done absolutely zero validation. We just had Aria go out there and spit something out. Let's go ahead and jump into validation. When you're validating, you want to do the most amount of validation you can for the least amount of effort, so you can get to minimizing the assumptions that we make all the time. You spent some time teaching Aria what a good vibe code prompt looks like. What are things that actually work well? Let's rapidly prototype some idea. And we have a pretty effective prompt, the dinner decider. All right, cool. I love this. Let's copy this. So again, this is a prompt designed to explain what it's going to do, and we're going to see how well this works. And I'm going to kick off two tools. I pull into my company account, and we're going to just paste this prompt in there. And we're going to say, as Aria goes to work, we're able to quickly iterate with tools like Replit and Bolt.new, like we're using in this case. It's like having a team of developers working with you as you quickly prototype new ideas. We can use this work to test for product market fit, provide input for a risky product decision, or even bring a full product to market, all with the power of AI that's grounded in your world and guided by you.